Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing us how to enable Fabric in our Microsoft Power BI. So all you have to do is to go to app.fabric.microsoft.com. So once you go to that URL, then the Fabric interface will be launched on your screen. Right from there, you can see all the experiences that we have on Microsoft Fabric. You have Power BI, your data factories to solve most complex data integration and ETL scenarios, your data synapse engineering too, then you have data science, synapse warehouse, real-time analytics. Then you can actually go here to see all the documentation that is available for you to get started with Fabric and even an end-to-end tutorials to get started. So today I will make it brief and then you activate Microsoft Fabric in your tenants. So all you have to do is to come to the settings icon right here, then you scroll down to your admin portal where you then enable Microsoft Fabric for your organization. Now this is the tenant setting. Right on the tenant setting here, you can see Microsoft preview and then it is currently disabled for the entire organization. So to turn it on, just do a drop down and then you turn it right on here and then you click on apply to your entire organization. This may take an average of 15 minutes to be activated and welcome to the world of Microsoft Fabric.